Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd. There are no words. We still don't believe it. To this moment, there is no words. May Allah show us the true end of us soon. Mind you, the suffering is not over. People are still in their tents, in their camps, suffering with daily life as it was. The war physically on the ground is not over, but just the thought of really having it over is something that we can't even begin to comprehend. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.